Hey everybody, welcome back to another Zach Vlogs. Today is Saturday. I got to sleep in today. Go me. Not very late, but I did get to sleep in. Today was a really good day. I got up this morning, hung out with the dogs, went outside with them for a while. Katie and her dad went to work, so I was here by myself. And then they came back, and then I went to adoration, confession in church tonight with Katie. Spent the evening with her, and then we came back here, ate some dinner, and then we went to Katie's sister's house and spent some time with my little goddaughter. Is it goddaughter? Yeah, goddaughter. And with their new cat. It was fun. It was fun. It was a good day. Yeah, it was a good Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Gonna be able to sleep in. I've been watching Wilfred. It's a good show, by the way. Um, ooh, did you hear that crack? Just popped my neck. Yeah. Anyway, I'm really tired and I'm done, so I'm gonna go to bed. Today was just a nice, relaxing day. Good relax. Good relax. Oh, yawn. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends. Sorry this is boring. And as always, cool beans.